guys, today I will teach you how to find moment of inertia of linear rod having constant mass density. As you know that for a continuous body, to find its moment of inertia, we have to consider one point and find moment of inertia of that point and integrate it to find moment of inertia of complete body. Now let us start our topic. Now in first case, we will find moment of inertia about this axis. This rod has mass m and length l. To find its moment of inertia, we have to consider a small mass dm having length dx and is at a distance x from the axis. As you know that moment for continuous mass, moment of inertia has formula now here r is the distance x. Dm is density into its small distance. Now integrate it. As you can see, its limits change from 0 to L. So integrate it from 0 to L to get final answer. When you integrate, you will get the final answer as now understand and copy it. Now we will start its second part. In this part, we will find moment of inertia of this rod having mass m and length l about this axis passing between its center of mass. Now to find its moment of inertia, we have to consider a small mass dm or small length dx. It is at a distance x from its axis. Now, as you know, the moment of inertia of continuous mass system is written as here r is the distance x and dm is now put this value here. Now we are taking distance from here, so this distance will be minus L as it is of opposite from the axis, and this will be positive L by 2. Now integrate it from minus L by 2 to L by 2 to get the final answer. Here we will put the value here. Here minus sign, so though we will add this value. As you know the integration, I believe that. So here it will be L cube by 4. So the final answer comes to be 1 by 12 ml square. Now this is the answer. So please write it and copy it.
Start.
Now we will see one question where continuous mass density will vary. Let us consider a rod of mass m and length l. Let's say mass density varies from here according to lambda equals to lambda naught x. So we have to find its moment of inertia about this rod, about this axis. Now, how we will solve this? Let's see. As moment of inertia of any continuous body will be given as here dm will let us consider a small mass dm here of length dx. Now what will be dm? Dm will be equals to lambda into dx. Here lambda is there, lambda is this. Now we will put this value here to get the answer. Here r will be the distance from its axis, so it will be x. With the limit we will put is from 0 to L. So it will become now we will integrate it. So it will be I. Now we will integrate it to find the final moment of inertia. We will put its limit from 0 to L. Then moment of inertia comes out to be this will be our final answer.